guys, we're gonna have a chicken mukbang. It's atin to, chicken McDo. This is a true busog meal. Okay? This is really busog meal. Much malaki. Ito yung iced tea. Ito pala yung card. Ito. Ito si Ken. Okay, start our mukbang. Sarap! If you want chicken McDo, please tell in the comments. I love it. Tara, look up there. Tara, look. So guys, our McDo is upgrade. Look.